Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Webster Bank Review My Usage Experience. Webster Bank Review My Usage Experience offers online banking account access and management tools for Webster Bank customers. It's designed to allow users to check balances, view transaction history, pay bills, and manage their accounts conveniently from their computer or mobile device. Key features include account summaries, transaction details, and bill pay functionality. Their website provides details on account access and security features. It emphasizes ease of use and secure online banking. They highlight 24/7 access and the convenience of managing finances from anywhere with an internet connection. They don't advertise specific pricing as it's integrated into their existing banking services. Availability is limited to Webster Bank customers, of course. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Webster Bank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. After logging in with my existing online banking credentials, I was immediately presented with a clear and concise dashboard showing my account balances and recent transactions. Navigating the interface was intuitive, finding specific transactions or managing my bill pay was straightforward. The performance was consistently excellent, the website loaded quickly, and I never experienced any glitches or delays. I had a quick question about setting up recurring payments, and their customer support responded within an hour via live chat. I was impressed. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the ability to easily download transaction history as a CSV file was a big plus. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app dedicated solely to account review. While mobile access is available through the browser, a dedicated app would be even more convenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Webster Bank Review My Usage Experience. It's a reliable and user-friendly platform that makes managing my account significantly easier. That's my overview of Webster Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.